So, good evening everyone and welcome to a new segment that I am experimenting with that I will call YouTubers versus my childhood. In this case, I'm going to feature a very good YouTuber that I have found a few months ago called Funky G. He is going to attempt one of the games I first played when I was at most 13 years old, Mega Man X6. I had this game when I bought it from a friend in my middle school I was attending, so I have very few complaints about it. Not because it isn't bad, don't get me wrong, it is bad. It is a rather poorly designed game uh, made in only 1 year, when at the time games were made in at least 2 years. And some of the level designs are quite horrible to say the least. And he is going to attempt, much to his chagrin, the stage of Blizzard Wolfgang. He's going to try it and he is going to be very disappointed with it. And I want you to sharing with me how great this experience is. Let me tell you, he should be getting way more views than he currently has. I'm not sure how many of them he gets on Twitch, where he streams these things, but at least here on YouTube, he deserves way more. He's been doing it for 6 years for all we know. So let's have a watch, shall we?
Hey everybody, welcome back to Let's Play Mega Man X6. In the last episode, we got Zero back. What the fuck? That was kind of out of nowhere, am I right? Anyways, we only really finished up one stage last time. The other stage kind of got cut off by the fact that we saved Zero. Maybe we should go back there and see if we can finish the stage? I almost don't want to. You know what? Fuck it. I'll go back to that stage later. I don't want to today. I want to do something new today. I was already going to ditch that stage anyways. Remember, I was like trying to leave. And I ended up doing
He's doing this thing blind.
Let's just pick another stage to try out.
I have known this for 15 years, what exactly he is facing.
Let's try this guy, North Pole.
So I have the benefit of hindsight, and he doesn't. That's why this is funny.
Look, it's a Saber Wolf guy. What's his name? Blizzard Wolfgang. That's probably the most normal name we've seen so far.
After the Guns N' Roses names, yes, those names sucked.
I guess they just tried to give people cool names. Like they took the part of the name of an animal or whatever creature, and then they just fucking attached on stuff like Wolfgang. Wow, this is fun. This is what you want. Oh, that was painful. Wait, what?
Oh, you think this is painful?
We're saving wolves. Okay. Alright, I guess we're saving wolves. That's cool. Okay. Wait for the fucking avalanche to end. Hold on. Can I like...
What are you doing?
Alright, well, let's get the fuck down here and get the fucking avalanche to its thing. The avalanche is still coming, right? No?
Yes, it is.
The avalanche is a one-time thing. Alright.
No, it isn't.
At least for each fucking notch of this, it looks like that's the case. Just don't let the avalanche push you into the fucking spikes, dude. No, go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Fucking avalanche, man. Fucking avalanche. Wolfgang and his avalanches, man. I appreciate it.
Avalanche is peanuts compared to what comes next.
Oh,
Just so you know.
what the fuck? What are you supposed to do?
Take it.
Just stand right here. I'm an idiot. I'm just an idiot. Don't mind me. Do I stand here?
Nope.
Nope, that's not the place. That's not
And
the
you're going to
place,
die for it.
dude. Fuck. I think that was where I was supposed to hang on the rope. That makes more sense. Okay, well. Okay, wait, what is this thing? Is this something?
Not really.
Are you a thing?
Not that I know of, anyway.
Does it seem like you're a thing? Okay, well then never mind. Can we like not have that? Okay, well fuck it. We're stuck on this. I was gonna try and chop this away, but it's not gonna let me. Oh well. Come on, man. You're supposed to die from that shit.
Not really. The AI is a cheating bastard.
Oh man. Try to get up my ability real quick. Get rid of this fucker real quick so I can fucking try my soul out. Let's try one more thing on this. Just see if the soul works on this. No? Okay. Something has to do something with that. Either that or it's just part of the fucking stage. It's playing.
It probably is.
This stage, already bullshit. Fucking avalanche. This is stages. If anybody thought any stage was going to be an avalanche of garbage, we found it. Oh, we found it.
And this is the game where you have to deal with literal garbage.
Get up on that fucking ladder, dude. You're going to die. Oh my god. Oh, this is painful. Alright, just stand right here. This is the spot. And I think for the next one, what we want to do is we're going to go, activate it, come back and hang on this rope. I think that's what it wants me to do. So we get it activated, come hang right here. Makes sense.
You mean trigger it?
Making sense. I think that makes all the senses. I should have thought of that sooner. But, you know me, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so that's fine. So this is going to be a safe spot here. Which is... So we got Wolfang down there right there. Stop trying to fucking zoom up there. Alright, is there any purpose to that up there? Probably.
It is, but not yet.
Not gonna worry about it right now. I don't really have anything that's like that makes sense to activate whatever those platforms.
You're going to see phase 1 of how utterly unfair the level design
On
is.
it, son of a bitch! I was trying to slide down the wall. Well, at least this is a checkpoint, so I'm not exactly.
And Capcom decided it was a good idea to say, no, not this time, you can't do that.
Oh shit! What? I didn't mean to do that. Why is this? Oh, the double tap dash is killing me right now.
Oh yes, that sucks, I agree, man.
I'm trying to do it. It just kind of happens. That time it happened accidentally. I didn't even click. I didn't even click the dash button. It just happened accidentally that time. That's fun, right? Accidentally do a dash in the air. You don't need to. Okay, you can't actually slide on this spot, or you can't slide on all these walls. These ice walls are dangerous, man. Hurry up, Avalanche! I need to get by here. Hurry up, Avalanche! You're only making me make this take longer. Ice level is bullshit. You ever thought ice level would be this bullshit?
You haven't seen nothing yet, man.
Just go down. Fuck it. Just go down. There's probably something up there. But I don't know if there's anything I can do about it right now, so you can't fucking slide up the walls. Okay, this part's pretty shit.
It is. And the worst part is you have to take it.
Sucks. Why did you get out of this fucking spot right now? This is horseshit. Oh god. This is horseshit. Oh god, dude. Fuck all of this right now. This is some garbage. I am not a fan of any of this, by the way. This is fucking ice shit. This is horse shit. I don't want to be at the end. Oh my! Are you kidding me? All I did was tap left.
And it's gone.
Ever so slightly, and he fucking just jumped. That my ice physics stuff. There's definitely something up there. I'm not sure if I can make it from here, but definitely something up there. Alright, you know, I'm getting just the force away from me, so these rocks are. Oh my. Dude! Don't fucking. That accidental double tap dash is the most irritating. Nothing can be more irritating than right now. Because of the stage. The stage is. Alright, can we do this right this time? I'm gonna jump instead of trying to tap. Jumping was the way to do that, not tapping. Sliding.
And now the best part. Enjoy.
What the fuck am I supposed to do here? Oh jeez. Oh no, we're helping. Okay, you're helping. Okay. We got another life, which is absolutely necessary right now. You buddy? Oh jeez. I wonder if that would have been my death.
The punchline is, if that thing falls on top of you, you die. And you can't wall jump either. So you're stuck.
I might be screwed. I might be screwed.
Yes, you are screwed.
Wow. Wow. You really can screw yourself, huh?
For all you know, the level designer
This
just
sucks.
was on strike and said, you know what, I'm going to
Oh,
work.
I could do
But
something,
said,
man.
you know what, I'm going to do the least fair levels ever.
I want to just not be in this area ever. Fuck this mess. This whole shit is fucking garbage. Tell you what. Get out of the way, Wolf. Alright, get the fuck out of here. Oh no! No! I saw it!
Oh, yes!
No!
Yes, the spikes everywhere
Oh,
because
this-
fuck
this-
everything in this place.
Painful fucking endurance. Wait, oh my god, we get the checkpoint.
And the worst part is I have the grandfather clause on this game.
Oh
I
my
can't
God,
criticize it as much as I would other games.
But it does. When you continue a stage instead of restarting, you can keep the checkpoints. Oh my god. I don't even remember if that was a thing in earlier Mega Man X games, but I'm glad it's something in this one. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap. Wolfgang, your stage. Suck my nards. Oh shit, there's spikes there too. My god. Okay, oh god.
Oh yes, it's
Spikes on either side.
might as well be called Kaiso Wolfgang.
Oh Jesus. Okay. Well, I guess when I'm getting hit, like, yeah, I'm getting squashed. It's like the same when you land on spikes when you're flashing. It doesn't kill you. It only makes you stronger. Did I get that one up? I don't know if I actually got that. I think I did. I'm not sure. Shit. No! I dashed into the wall, you fucking.
Yes, you did.
Oh.
This is why the double tap dash sucks.
Loving the stage already so very much. I can't wait to do more of it. Over and over and over again. God, I hope this is like the last sequence on the level. After this is the boss. Dude, this is garbage. Can I just state how garbage this is right now? This is absolutely garbage. Oh, this is the most garbage. Every garbage, oh garbage. This garbage.
Agreed.
Fuck garbage. This garbage.
I wouldn't sing it, but I agree.
Oh
This
my
is
God.
garbage. This is trash. This is rubbish.
There. The problem is you're limited in your area. Well, this one's gonna be fucking terrible. Oh, thank you, Jesus, for having blocks on these spikes. That's saving grace right now. Get that guy out of
The
here.
game is literally flipping you off, you see? You see the middle finger?
Build a bridge. Build me some stairs, guys. I need stairs to get out of here. Come on.
Flipping the iceberg.
Shit, no. Oh no, I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm
You're
so
dead.
dead. I'm so very dead. I can't move. I can't move. Nothing can save me. You can't do anything. Why can't...
That saved you.
Why did they do this? This is the most meanest garbage I've seen in my life.
It's called a strike.
Random bullshit cartoon. Any stage. Oh my god. Seriously? It doesn't even like go where you are. It just goes wherever the fuck it wants. That's
Indeed.
what makes this more hard. Because you don't know where the fuck it's gonna go.
RNG Jesus
You don't know.
is here to
You have
screw
questions
you.
on thinking where you're standing based on what has already come down. You know what I mean? That's what makes this fucking ridiculous. It's nothing to do with how hard this actually is to like move around and deal with. It's just you have to deal with where the blocks fucking come down. And that's the most irritating thing ever. Oh my Jesus, man. Look at that, 3 in a row in the same spot. How long is it gonna be before I can actually get up there?
Another middle finger.
This fucking-
Because of course it is.
Still get up there. I gotta wait for some of these other fucking blocks. On the positive side, I can get the fuck out of here. Well, okay, I would have if that 4th block didn't come down.
The game is flipping you the bird, man.
Unbelievable, unconceivable. Can't believe this bullshit is happening to me right now. Get the fuck out of here before some other shit happens, please. For the love of
Oh, you think it's over?
God. More? More. Of course
More.
not. Why wouldn't there be more? Oh my. Okay, well, at least it's not instant death. I was about to be super pissed that that was instant death. Oh, what? 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 What the? What?
I know, right?
Okay. Okay. I have no idea why they killed me. I would like an explanation as to why that one killed me.
Because overlap is not allowed in this game.
Ground there. So that means you die?
Yes.
You're standing there? Oh, because the block appeared where I was. You can't be there when the block appears. That makes sense. Alright, fine. Fine, makes sense. Fine. You want to make sense of stage? Go ahead and make all of them.
It does make sense at your expense, man.
Getting through these parts is not the problem. The problem is having these guys along the way that you want to save. That's the problem. And I'm going to save them all because you get items from it. Otherwise, I would
And each of them gives you an extra life, so you can keep surfing on this load of ice. And it's gone.
Wow. Unbelievable. Well, we're just going to make our way one fucking wolf at a time. Because every one we save is another life gotten back. So really it's just going to be me getting a life, losing a life. Or just doing that. Because I'm...
Oh, yes. in an endless loop of immortality under a block of
This
ice.
whole video is going to be just the stage, I think. I think the stage warrants its own video. I think it does. I think it deserves its own video at this point.
And now it deserves a relief from me.
Fucking heart pieces. You can find no armor pieces. You can find shit. It's been stages, man. The least fruitful stage I've played so far.
You say that now, but
Oh my, are you kidding me?
you don't know how many laughs you have given me with that. And for that I thank you forever.
This stage has been the most fun I've had today.
I know, right?
Dude, you have to time these jumps so fucking perfectly. Well, you don't have to time the jumps. You do. You need to make sure when it lands, you're already up above it. On top of it, whether you're already above it or not is relevant. You just have to make sure you're above that shit. Oh man, I didn't go save the guy. I should have went straight for him. I'm not leaving without that fucking wolf.
You should be grateful the ice doesn't kill him. Imagine if it did.
This episode will be just this stage. God damn it. This stage is already pissing me off. Already? I should say the stage is still pissing me off. It hasn't gotten any better. Fucking kids, man. This stage, man. This is happening right now. This exists. This is the thing that happened.
And a thing that wasn't fixed even after many anniversary collections. This level is still bullshit. God knows how many years later, 17 years later.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Hit detection, the best. Because Mega Man's always had trouble. Hit detection. How do you fuck up hit detection? Maybe. I guess it's because it's a weird mechanic.
When you make a game in less than a year, it can be happening.
Too early.
It can be done.
I can try to come up with an excuse for why some of this shit just sucks. But it doesn't need an excuse. It just sucks. Fuck out of here. Hey, are we
Ooh.
actually at the boss with 0 lives?
Yes.
Who the fuck?
You are at the boss with 0 lives, my friend.
And you could continue to get to start the boss or not. Or maybe the boss will be so goddamn easy, you won't have to worry about it. Let's find out.
Well, relative to the stage, it ought to be.
Direct your asshole. Come on, Wolfgang. Come on. Are you the nightmare investigator, Blizzard Wolfgang? Should I give him a proper voice? Because this guy name is goddamn Wolfgang. Yes, I came from this gorgeous mission. An error cost me my men problems for gate. To add to that, disgrace, rebel, and researchers trapped me. And never mind, what's done is done. I just don't like talking about it. Stick things in my pocket. This is my mission. I'm sorry, but I will to reach Maverick Hunter. Alright, Matt Hardy. Didn't I do that one joke already? They keep talking about the league, man. That's a Matt Hardy line. Alright, you know what? Fuck your shit, Wolfgang. Fuck your shit, Wolfgang. Fuck your shit, Wolfgang. Ow. Keep doing this. This is working. This strat is working.
It is.
Working overtime. Oh shit.
You deserve that break after all that.
I'm not surprised. He's a fucking wolf. Dude, get the fuck off my nuts. Okay, this guy is easy as dirt. Why are you so easy? Why are you so easy? You're easy as shit. Wow, your stage was garbage, but you were easy as a piece
Hard
of
level,
shit.
easy boss.
Man,
It happens.
I was almost sad how easy that was.
You don't have to. You won.
Well, whatever. I didn't find shit on that stage, so guess what we get to do later? Go back to that stage. Yay! I can't wait for that.
So there you have it. You have seen how this YouTuber faces one of the most infamous levels in one of my most, I wouldn't say favorites, but one of my most fondly remembered Mega Man games. This has been quite a watch, as I promised you, and if you want me to review some other YouTuber and or some other game, you can leave a comment below, and I'm going to provide you with the original source in the video description so that you can go see him without me talking over him. You deserve to enjoy it intact as well, And if you enjoy his content, you can subscribe to him too. I know I am, and whenever he streams something that I recognize, I enjoy it very much. So that has been all for this time, and see you in the next one.